Did you know Stephen King's original typewriter from the 70s types horror stories by itself at night? Security cameras in his Bangor home capture something terrifying. The keys press down on their own, creating complete stories while King sleeps. But these aren't just any stories. The typewriter predicts real tragedies. It writes detailed descriptions of King's neighbors, describing exactly how they'll die or suffer. Days later, those exact events happen to those exact people. King found manuscripts describing his own death in gruesome detail. Multiple versions, each one different, each one terrifying. Literary experts confirmed the writing style matches King's perfectly. But here's what's impossible. The stories contain intimate details about strangers' lives that King could never know, future events that haven't happened yet. The typewriter's ribbon never runs out, despite typing constantly. When King tried moving it to storage, it mysteriously returned to his desk the next morning. King admits he's now afraid to read what his own typewriter creates, because in his world of horror fiction, this machine has become something far more terrifying than any story he's ever written.